As part of the NHS's goals for March 2025, all GP surgeries are advised to switch from the traditional phone-operated booking system to a total triage system. Total triage is a new approach recommended by NHS England to improve accessibility to primary care services, to provide better quality care to patients by providing more appropriate appointments and advice, and to make sure this is delivered in a timely manner. Stopsley Village Practice will make a switch to this system on the 10th of February 2025 using an online booking form instead of the traditional phone-in booking system. The information you provide on this form will be looked at by a doctor to make sure your problem is reviewed by the right person and at the right time. This will also save time for you, as this booking system avoids waiting in long telephone queues or having to queue at reception. To book an appointment, head to our website by searching for Stopsley Village Practice. Once you reach this point, click on Contact Us Online. You will then be redirected to this web page. If you have System Online or an NHS account, you can log in to make a booking more quickly. If you don't have either of these, you can still make a booking through the links below, depending on what your problem is. You can request an appointment to discuss a new problem, or to get more information about a previous appointment or a referral that we have made for you. You can also request help for things that do not require an appointment. You can request letters from a doctor, request fit notes, sometimes called sick notes, request new prescriptions and reviews of your current prescriptions, ask for your recent test results, or make other requests, such as to cancel an appointment. For this demonstration, we will assume I have a new medical problem that I want an appointment for. I click on New Condition. I then select which type of symptom I currently have that I want to discuss. For this demonstration, let's say that I have a cough, so I click on Cough/Cold. After this, we come to a warning screen. Some problems need to be seen immediately and cannot wait for a GP appointment. It's very important to read carefully through this screen. If you or the person you are booking for are experiencing any of the problems on this screen, stop the booking process and call 999 immediately. Or use the services signposted at the bottom of the yellow text box if you are deaf and would prefer to use British Sign Language or a text relay. In this case, I have read through this page and I don't have any of the problems listed, so I will click Continue. I have none of these at the bottom of the page. Based on the category of symptom you selected before, you will then be asked several questions to give us more information. Answering these questions in as much detail as you can will give us more information to make sure your problem is seen at the right time and by the right person. You can also let us know if you would prefer to see someone who speaks your first language, or if you will require an interpreter at this point, or if there's anything else that you're worried about. After putting in as much information as I can, I'll click on Next at the bottom of the screen. Remember, the more detail you provide, the more quickly we can make sure you're seen by the right person. You will then be asked information about yourself, so we can find you on our patient record and contact you about appointments. At the top of the screen, select whether you are booking an appointment for yourself or for someone else. Then, put in your own details if you're booking for yourself, or put in the details of the person you are booking for if you're booking for someone else. Don't worry if you don't know all the details asked for on the form. We only need your name, date of birth and address to find you in our records in most cases. You should also specify whether you would prefer us to contact you by text or email at this point, and provide your preferred contact details. After that, click Submit to Request at the bottom of the screen, and your booking request is done. The form you submitted will be looked at by one of our doctors, who will then decide how urgently you need to be seen and who needs to see you based on your request. Once this is done, you will get a notification from the surgery to let you know when your appointment will be. The doctor who read your request may also contact you to ask for more information. They may ask a few more questions about your problem, or may ask you to send photos of your problem to the surgery through a secure link. This covers how you can make bookings through the new Total Triage online system. If you have any problems with making these bookings or need further information about the new system, you can call Stopsley Village Practice at 01582 722 555. That's 01582 722 555. Or come into the surgery to ask any questions.